Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I am going to share with you a commonly made Diwali sweet recipe known as Shakarpara. This is one of the main recipes which is prepared during the Diwali festival. It is very simple and it has a mild sweet and crunchy texture. So let's look into the recipe. So first, in a small skillet I'll be taking 1 cup of milk. I'll let it come to a boil. Turn off the stove and let it cool down a little bit. The temperature should be lukewarm. Now I'm going to empty this milk in a bigger bowl. We'll add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix it well so that the sugar melts. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cups of ghee, clarified butter. Mix it well. Now gradually I'll start adding the flour. So here my suggestion is that you start adding 1/2 cup flour at a time. So in this particular measurement I needed approximately 4 cups of flour. Every time when you are adding the flour, make sure to whisk it smooth. So once this texture starts getting little thicker, it will be difficult to whisk it. During that time, you can use your hand. This is how gradually this dough will start folding. It is okay if the dough is a little softer because after the resting time it will get a little firm. So I'm going to cover it with a cloth and keep it aside near a warm place for around 1.5 hours. So as you see, the dough has become a little firm. So I'm going to knead it once more, a little bit. And after kneading it, I am going to divide it into 2 parts. This kneading time was around 2 minutes. Taking this 1/2, I am going to place it on the clean countertop. Now I'm going to knead it again, roll it, close it nicely. Now with the help of a rolling pin, I'm going to start rolling it. The thickness required is around 1 centimeter for the Shakarpara. Now I'm going to start cutting the circumference so that I'm able to make the Shakarpara shapes. So now you can start cutting it diagonally and also the other side the same way. Make sure during this time you keep oil in a wok to heat. The heat should be on medium. And once the oil is hot, reduce the heat between low to medium. Now start frying the Shakarparas one by one. spoon and start stirring them in between so that the shakarparas don't get too brown. Turn them over as well so that they cook the other side. We have to cook the entire shakarpara evenly. So here our shakarparas are ready, nice and golden brown. They are ready to be taken out. The cooking of the shakarpara took around 7 minutes. Let the shakarparas cool down a little bit. When they are hot, they are more softer, and once they cool down, they are more crunchier. If you like watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.